Imagine this: you're walking outside on an ordinary day, the air is still, a strange pressure settles over the sky, birds stop mid-flight, hanging, suspended, as if the world itself is holding its breath. Then a deep, thunderous vibration rolls through the planet. Everything begins to shift, violently, uncontrollably, because in that single moment, the Earth has stopped rotating, just for 1 minute. And the world you knew is gone. What would happen if our planet, the massive sphere carrying oceans, mountains, cities, and life itself, suddenly halted its 1,670 km/h rotation? Could anything survive? Would the atmosphere shear away into space? Would continents be ripped apart? Or would it simply feel like a giant earthquake? This is one of the most extreme scenarios imaginable. But to understand what comes next, we first need to grasp what the Earth's spin actually means for life. Right now, as you watch this, the Earth is spinning at incredible speed. At the equator, 1,670 km/h. At mid-latitudes, 1,200 km/h. Even at the poles, where rotation speed is 0, the planet still turns every 24 hours. This hidden motion creates our day and night. It stabilizes climate. It shapes the tides. It keeps the atmosphere in balance. We never feel it because everything around us is moving with us. But if this rotation stopped instantly, even for just 1 minute, the consequences would be catastrophic. Unlike anything humanity has ever faced, the Earth's spin generates enormous inertial momentum. It's the same reason you're thrown forward when a car stops suddenly. But now the car is Earth, and gravity is the only seatbelt. As long as Earth spins, everything is stable. But if it stops, everything on the surface keeps moving at the original speed until something stops it. That something is the planet itself. Real physics gives us clues. When satellites lose momentum, they crash. When tectonic plates jerk, earthquakes erupt. When air masses shift suddenly, storms form. But these are tiny compared to the scale of the entire Earth stopping. This would be the largest sudden deceleration event in planetary history. So let's walk through it, step by step, second by second. The first second unleashes a shockwave through the crust. The continents shift by centimeters, not over millions of years, but instantly. A global earthquake erupts, magnitude 11 or 12, beyond anything ever recorded. Buildings collapse, highways twist, power grids fail. But this is only the beginning. Between the second and 10th second, everything not anchored deep into the plan it is launched eastward. Humans, cars, trees, entire cities. Near the equator, objects would be hurled at 1,670 km/h, faster than a bullet. People wouldn't be thrown into space, gravity holds them, but they would travel for kilometers until they hit something immovable. A global wave of destruction. Between 10 and 30 seconds, the atmosphere breaks free. The air continues spinning even though the ground has stopped. Winds reach 1,500 km/h. Hyper storms tear across the continents. The sky darkens. Oceans rise into airborne walls of water. Nothing made by humans could survive these winds. From 30 to 60 seconds, the oceans begin their deadly movement. All the water in the world surges westward. The Pacific, the Atlantic, the Indian Ocean, coastal cities disappear in minutes. Inland regions drown, rivers reverse direction. New oceans form temporarily over land. Human civilization collapses. After the minute ends, the Earth begins spinning again. But nothing is in its proper place. The atmosphere moves chaotically. The oceans slosh violently around the globe. Winds collide with returning rotation currents, forming storms larger than anything in history. Earthquakes continue for days as the crust rebalances. Volcanoes erupt from sudden pressure changes. The magnetic field falters, exposing the surface to bursts of solar radiation. The world enters a phase of temporary, unpredictable chaos. Life survives, but everything is altered. Could this ever happen? No natural force is strong enough to stop Earth's rotation instantly. Not an asteroid, not a collision, not a passing planet. The energy required would equal the power of all nuclear weapons ever built. Multiplied by millions, only something cosmic, beyond anything we know, a black hole interaction or an alien megastructure, could achieve it. But this scenario reveals an important truth. The Earth seems calm and stable, but it is held together by delicate forces. Rotation, gravity, atmosphere, magnetism, oceans, all working together in a precise balance that allows life to exist. Even 1 minute of disruption could rewrite the story of our planet. Life exists because Earth moves, because it turns, because it spins at unimaginable speed through space, and perhaps the real question isn't just about the danger of stopping, but about the hidden cosmic forces that shape our existence every day. If stopping Earth for 1 minute is this destructive, then imagine this. What would happen if the sun went dark for just 1 hour?